I'm out here again this morning. I got a new bit and I just cut off the sill over here. So the sill's all clean up to the corner and I'm gonna get some pieces to start putting in place. So that's what I'm doing next. All right, so I've been working on bracing the outer side here as Michael requested, because he's gonna be the one mainly doing the fixing of the foundation. I'll be helping. But I've got the posts all along here. We need to still put the supports underneath. Got diagonal bracing across here. I'm also gonna be running another vertical board down to the posts and finish off on that side. And Craig helped me do it all today. So thanks, Craig. Today I'm continuing the bracing. I just put this one in. My dad and mom came out to see what we were up to. And so my dad helped me measure this because I'm just gonna keep that measurement for this next spot. Make it a lot easier on myself. So next I gotta bash out a little bit there so I have a stud to attach to. This is all set. That'll be the last one. And after that last one, I'm gonna support the beam underneath to support across the joists. And then I might do some verticals down to those joists into the beam. So that's what I'm up to today. I have the second brace up. So that's in place. I also had some more visitors. I had Sam, the boys, and my in-laws. So that was good to be able to show them around. And I'm going to now cut a post that will fit here. And then I had to do another one on this end, going up and down. And then after that, we'll go into the other room, do the same thing. I finished all the bracing. So I put the post in down there so you can see that post. Then I also put vertical bracing up just to give it additional kind of, so the weight, when this tries to cantilever the roof, it'll come down along this diagonal. It'll also provide some support down to the post, which is going straight to the ground. And this one, which is coming into the sill plate. Then on the other side, I've got also a horizontal brace piece, just because I don't want these to kind of flex as much side to side, which they cannot do now. And once again, going down to the post, which is holding up the floor joists, other verticals, and then the furthest one over just goes straight to the ground. Once again, just to help move that over. And also the wall on the far side will help things from racking too much. I'm out of screws, but I'd say this is supported well enough, meaning I can start going outside and jackhammering out the old foundation. So that's all done. So I had a extra few minutes before I left, so I started chiseling out under here. It was really badly broken up, so I could go through, but they did put metal through it. Railway tracks. So there's railway tracks through here, which is pretty cool. But you can see they weren't connected, and right where they weren't connected, they separated and fell in. So anyway, I'm gonna go all the way back to that point and all the way back to that corner. So we'll slowly remove all of this. I'll do more of it tomorrow. But that's Dad came out today so that we could get a little extra done and to have an extra set of ears and eyes while I start breaking up the foundation. So Dad cleaned up this whole wall, which is really nice. Yeah, and I'll show you what I did. You can see a bit of extra light coming in. Ugh. So out here, I removed a big chunk of the foundation. So you can see I'm working on this section. Already got out this giant section. And early this morning I fixed the sill plate that was rotted out there. So I'm just gonna keep going right now, trying to break up this portion. And then I'm gonna move over to here. I'm hoping to get it all done today, but we'll see what I can manage. It's only like 12. I've only been working at it for an hour, so I think I should be able to get all of it done today. I got the next section out. You can see underneath at the supports. All I have left is over there. Well, that was quick. I just did 15 minutes of jackhammering, and this one popped right out. There's a nice crack right along here between the two, so it came out easy. So what I'm going to do now is dig back the rest of that, and then I'm going to take out that last section. Very close to being done. That first bit I got took 15 minutes. This other piece Took me a full hour. So all I have left is this little section. So I'm gonna see if I can get it done before I go, which I think I can get it done. So should be fine, but yeah. So I'm sure my parents will be happy to know I finished it on the inside so I could just push it down and I wasn't even there. So nice and safe. Done. And the last one too, I pushed from inside. So no concern for me. All done for now though. I'm gonna head on.